Hi, I'm Tami Macala, and this is Mosaic Arts Online. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you 3 methods for creating lightweight concrete sculpture. Here in front of me, I have the 3 different projects or methods that you will create with these tutorials. First, we have the lightweight concrete garden ball using a polystyrene sphere. Next, you can move on to how to create this lightweight concrete chicken using chicken wire and a few other fun materials. And last, we have how to create a lightweight concrete boulder. See how light that is? Using a polystyrene block and a really fun tool called a hot wire sculpting tool. Each of these tutorials are standalone tutorials that come with a thorough resource and materials list. This will allow you to get all your tools and materials together before you start your tutorials. This is so much fun. It's great for the beginner or the experienced. I really hope you'll enjoy it. So let's get started.